Ethereum continues its downtrend, approaching $1,785. We're still seeing price versus while money flow super high, but trend exhaustion is dropping at this point, and I think we could see some further drops as the days progress. However, as we talked about in yesterday's Bitcoin video, check that out for sure. July tends to be extremely bullish for crypto, so even if we get a little bit of a drop, don't worry, we got some pretty big moves coming up soon. With that, let's jump into the video. First things first, starting off with announcements. The Inner Circle live hangout is today at 3 p.m. Pacific time. We'll be going live in our Inner Circle hangout starting at 3 p.m. Pacific time today. We'll talk about where crypto is headed and open up the call for a Q&A session with the community. If you want to join us, be sure to grab a full access membership in the links down below. And the second announcement of the day, we have our big 4th of July sale. This is a limited quantity sale. The first 50 buyers will get their discount and then the sale ends. You can get $50 off the indicator bundle pack, which includes a $400 off coupon for the TC top and bottom finder, meaning you can get a full $450 off our indicators. Crazy deal. And there's another $350 off coupon if you just want the TC top and bottom finder by itself. Do not miss out. This is limited time, limited quantity, so be sure to grab them while you still can. Heading into the metrics, we're going to head over to Ethereum right here. The first metric we're taking a look at is the Ethereum Emotional Index, and we are just about to leave excited territory, telling me that this downtrend is beginning to wind down. I think it will continue as the price drops a little bit here. We should see this metric drop into neutral and possibly anxious. Once we see anxious, that's when we'll be looking for the next moves up in Ethereum. Moving on now to the Ethereum Volatility Breakout Detector. We're just about in low volatility, which tells me there's going to be some big moves coming soon. You can see here when we pushed into low volatility, we got massive moves up and back down. Again, right here, big move up. So whenever we see low volatility, that's when we're likely to see impulse moves. And we just got to look at the other metrics to determine which direction that's going to be. Based on the Ethereum Whale Smart Money metric here, we're seeing still a tiny bit of short trade sentiment, but it is beginning to shift towards long trades. I'm betting just within the next couple of days as the price drops, we should begin seeing whales start to put long trades into the market. We had previously surpassed the negative 800 level that we're typically looking for moves down, and this is exactly what we saw. Very happy with how this metric played out, and as we move on to the Ethereum major support and resistance levels, we're still just looking for a move down from the current price to a value of about $1,785. From there, I'm expecting a bounce up, and first test of resistance is going to be 1,928, followed by 2,020. Next up, we got to take a look at the Ethereum long versus short trades. There is still a pretty large spread between long and short trades, telling me that long trades are likely to take over as the bull market starts, and we should see some pretty significant moves, especially heading into July. Last but not least is going to be the Ethereum Daily Trade Scanner. We got a sell signal that perfectly called this move down. Beautiful, beautiful move down, and at the same time as the price drops, we'll be looking for a buy signal, which actually called this move up. And with that, if we see a buy signal coming up soon, we should see that move up as well. Super simple stuff. All you got to do if you want to access all of these metrics and more, it's going to be super important if you trade Ethereum. You just got to grab our membership down below. On top of that, you'll be able to access our Inner Circle live Zoom meeting happening today. The link will be posted soon. The event happens at 3 p.m. to 4 p.m. Pacific time. And with that, we hope to see you there. If you want to join us, you need a membership. And if you don't have that yet, you can grab a membership at the links in the description down below. Just go ahead and scroll down, click show more, and the membership will be the very first link. Click that. It'll bring you to our homepage. Head up to subscribe, follow the prompts right here, and I recommend the full access for $59 a month. This gets you access to all 20 coins worth of metrics, the Zoom coaching every single month happening today, and many more benefits. Go ahead and click choose, follow the prompts, and we hope to trade with you soon, and we'll see you later today. Here we are back on the live charts. We're approaching structure support at $1,785. And as I said in the introduction, we're still seeing price versus while money flow high, but trend exhaustion has actually fallen into its middle section. What this tells me is this downtrend is about to run out, and most likely this was basically pretty much all due to retail traders selling out of the market. There is a risk of whales beginning to move money out of the market. And if they do, I think we're going to shoot straight past this down to structure support at $1,620. But as I said earlier, July is actually extremely bullish for cryptocurrency. The past 3 years, Every year, we've seen 20% or more of an increase in Bitcoin. We've seen crazy pumps, and that's exactly what we're expecting. In fact, it's not just these last 3 years. 7 out of 10 years here, Bitcoin has seen moves up in July. It's extremely bullish month, and with that, we should be expecting moves up in the crypto market. So I'm not too, oh man, look at Solana. That's crazy move up. Good for Solana, very, very exciting there. So with that, I do think we're going to see a move down, at least to structure support at 1,785. This is very typical. We're going to see prices magnetized to those structure supports, and from there, I think that's where we're going to see moves up. Again, testing structure resistance at $1,928 or as high as $2,020. I think we could even hit higher up, but we'll have to keep you updated as these things play out. Now, if you want to get access to these indicators that are absolutely crushing this market, it just makes trading so easy. Super, super easy, whether you're a beginner or an expert, no matter where you are in your trading journey, I guarantee these indicators are going to benefit you. Right now, they're on their July sale, the July 4th sale, for up to $450 off right now. The sale does not last long, on up until next Friday or after 50 purchases have been made using the coupon codes. Either way, it's a limited quantity, limited time, so you need to act now. If you want to snag the discounted indicators while you still can, go ahead and grab them at the links in the description down below. Just go ahead and scroll down, click show more, and the indicators will be the second link. Go ahead and click that. These indicators have over 4,000 in downloads and counting. Remember, first 50 buyers and then the sale ends. This person made over $9,000 and their account is up 39% using these indicators. This person made $950 in one day, $4,300 in just a week, $2,100 in 3 days. Absolutely insane how well these indicators are working. Now, for the best possible deal, what you're going to want to do is actually grab the indicator bundle pack first, and be sure to use code SAVEME50 at checkout. Let's do it. Just go ahead and click this link, the checkout link, boom, right here. Click I want this, enter SAVEME50, click apply, fill out your information, click pay, and you can access the TC top and bottom finder for $400 off. Click add to cart. You get all 11 of Trade Confidence indicators, including the 3 you just saw me use, for $450 off. Make sure your information is correct, click pay, and you are good to go. Again, as the price drops, we're just really looking for a buy signal as the trend exhaustion drops here. When we see both of those, that is where I'm anticipating the next move up to happen. I do not think this downtrend is going to last very long, and I don't think the price versus well money flow at this point is going to hit a low. But if you do see this green line moving down, anticipate a much sharper drop down to $1,620. It's going to be crazy, crazy moves incoming. We saw one of the metrics showing low volatility and therefore impulse moves coming up. So something big is about to happen. Grab these indicators so you can keep track of what's going to happen next. With that, thanks so much for watching. Trade safe, trade confident, and I will see you in the next video.